Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter a DXL that is very hype where it's impossible to enter manually because usually it goes so fast like in just a couple of seconds, so you don't have time to enter and to confirm the transaction in the MetaMask. You don't have time to do anything, so I made a bot to make the process very easy and very fast, and I will show you how it works. So here I create a presale. I create a presale for the example. So you can see you have the presale address, you have the token address. So I do it on the testnet to make the things very easier. So what you have to do in the process is very easy. You just launch first you edit the config file. Here you can set your wallets. So you can enter the presale with more than one wallet. So it's allow you to buy more tokens than the limit fixed by the developer. So for the example, I will show with 0.05, 0.06, 0.07 and 0.08. So what you have to do is to enter your wallet address, your private key, the amount you want to invest. You can also specify the way you want to pay, about the gas. So more you put gas, more you have chance your transaction will be taken in the first block. So I always advise to put more than the 5, which is by default. So you can put 150 or 500 or 1000. It really depends of how hyped is the presale. After you finish to set up the file, you can close the file, launch the bot. So we are working on the testnet. So I press 1. So the bot will read the wallet list. So you have here your 4 wallets with the amounts to buy. So 0.05, 6, 7, 8. You have the current balance of each wallet. So you make sure you don't try to buy more than the balance. So what happened on the presale? Usually you don't have this address yet, but when the timer will come to 0, you just have to refresh the page, and then the presale address appear. You just have to copy it, copy here, paste, enter, and done. Now you have your 4TX transaction. It goes very, very fast. You have one transaction for each wallet, and you can see here the amount will probably go up soon because now it's 0.51 because all my transactions were taken in consideration. So I also open here all my wallets in BSC scan. So you can see here I bought in the block 9 to 9 26 seconds ago. In this one I bought in the same block. This one I bought also in the same block. So you can see the transaction, and here it's the 05 F5, so you can see it here 0585. And for the other wallets, refresh the page, and here same, the block 9 to 9 with the TX hash 726. It's this one 726. So here we have all 4 transactions. So we bought the presale 4 times with 4 different wallets in the same block. So this is how, to show you how fast is this bot. And then the bot will ask also to enter the token address to approve on PancakeSwap. So with this process, when you will when the token will be launched on the PancakeSwap, you don't have to approve the token. So you will win some time, some very precious time, if you want to dump the token directly at the launch. So here you just have to go on the DXL page, you copy the token address, you paste it here. Oh, sorry. Copy, paste, enter. Just wait for a few seconds, and that's done. You have your wallet approved on PancakeSwap, approved on PancakeSwap, approved on PancakeSwap, approved. If I go check my wallets, I refresh, and I can see here the transaction. Here, effectively, it's an approve, but it doesn't show approve on PancakeSwap because it's the testnet, but it's really approved. And here, same, refresh, also this one. I also have my transaction here, and refresh also this one here. And so now, if I want to sell my token on PancakeSwap, I can do it directly. So here I am on the testnet. I can connect to this wallet. Yes, I have it. So I just have to copy the address. Go on PancakeSwap, or I don't know if it works on the testnet, but we will see. Yeah, import. Okay, import. And now, usually when you want to sell, here you have the approve button and swap. So here you will not have the approve button anymore because it's already approved by the bot. So you will directly you can directly swap the token directly at the launch. So this is how this bot works. It will help you to enter the pre-sale very fast. Like in less than 1 second, you will enter in the same block with as many wallets as you want, and then it will approve the token directly for PancakeSwap. So you don't have to waste time to approve the token in PancakeSwap. So this is this bot. You can see here my Discord. You can see here my Telegram. You will I will write these contacts directly in the description because I am making this bot, but not only this bot. I am a programmer. I make bots for Binance, for DXL, for PancakeSwap, for Unicrypt, for many platforms. So if you have some special requests, you can ask me directly, and let's see if we can do something together, no problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. Bye-bye.